Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean place to work. Open Roblox Studio and create a new base plate. You must set up terrain and a folder structure for assets, scripts, and effects so you stay organized. Once done, import or create basic models, trees, buildings, and particle textures so you can test interactions. Make sure lighting uses a neutral preset and enable Explorer and Output. This early organization prevents messy references later and speeds development as you implement disaster systems. You now build the Heart, a disaster controller that schedules events and broadcasts state changes. Create modular scripts for each disaster. Wind applies forces, flood changes water level and buoyancy, earthquake shakes anchors, so you reuse code. Use server scripts for authoritative physics and remote events to trigger client-side particles and camera shakes. Once modules are hooked to the controller, add probability and timing logic so disasters vary. Make sure to test with multiple players to validate synchronization and latency behavior. You finish by polishing visuals, adding UI alerts and adaptive sound levels so players perceive danger early. Optimize with particle level of detail and server-side culling to avoid frame drops. Then run stress tests with multiple clients, profile memory, and CPU, and iterate on physics parameters. If things go wrong, check server ownership and remote event usage first. Desynchronization usually stems from client-side authoritative changes or missing replication. Finally, document disaster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.